I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. No way now, I'll give up everything. Daunting all, if I could see my dreams, I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality. Don't let go, don't let go. I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I want a reality.
I just wanna find a way out, sick of the venom in my brain. Running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this. I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once that is so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started the outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
Ayan guys, barakuda 1-0. Wala. Oh, naka-record kaya? Babalik ko sa tubig. Uy, nipis lang. Putik. Tawag nga pre, saglit lang. Alright guys, 1-0.
Picture mo ito una.
Muntik lang matanggal. Guys, barakuda guys.
Tawag yan.
Barakuda daw.
Barakuda. Talin yan, no? 1-0. Oh, pasulit tayo. Meron eh.
Gusto pala nila yun eh. Artificial.
Hindi. Last ano ko na sana yan eh. Alright guys. Ito ka ni Mar. Alright, kasalukuyan tayo ngayon sa Chuwie Beach. Sa Chuwie Beach Sport. Sa natin si
Frankie.
Alright, sige.
Hi.
Nakahuli na kami. Ito na.
Bus na.
Ito na. Pahinga muna, sobrang init na. Nag-camping siguro dito sa bike fishing. Ito tayo. Mainit rin pala. Tambay muna kayo dyan. Yung plastic, wag. Oh.
Yan ang gawa ka ng ano, stick, sokit. Ganon na lang oh. Silyo.
Sige yan. Sige. Wait and wait na to. Pusun guys, pusun. Alright, 1-0. Huli na. Bugaong. Hindi. Mababaw yan. Alright. 1-0 guys. Sabi ko sa'yo, hindi masisiro eh. Maliit. Jimo. Maliit. Maliit eh. Ah, checkered. Ingat ka. Masakit yan. Okay na. Sana inantay mo. Kaya yun eh. Kaya yun. Huli guys, huli. Maliit. Maliit eh. Sisigang mo. Ah. Ano ang mas malaki dyan? Ulisan na eh, nakabitaw lang. Doon tayo. Nagsa-strike eh. Dami lang sabitan dito. Bagay dito, floater pala. Nice, takman natin. Alright. No? Lasa. Taba eh.
Lasa na eh. Lasa ng dagat.
Sana yung pusit. Oh guys, pusit pa rin sa tropa. Ito ka ni Mar. Alright, kasalukuyan tayo ngayon nasa Chuwie Beach. Natin sa Chuwie Beach Fish Port. Sama natin si General Alright, sige.
Hi.
Nakahuli na kami. Dito na.
Bus na.
Na. Pahinga mo na, sobrang init na. Ayan guys, airplay. Airplay. Wala kami. Chef. Okay siya. Hindi niya lang malunok.
May kabili yung lapit ko.
Tap guys. Pero masarap kasi pag nag-iyaw-iyaw rin kayo. Ayan, kain muna. Ayan guys, nakahuli na si Neymar. Hindi na siya zero. Yan yung ginawa natin. Ha? Kain? Yun rin natin nahuli nila eh. Baka may mas malaki pa dyan.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of
Ang pag-retrieve mo sa siya nag-strike.
Yeah, I'm tired of shit and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting and I'll never look back. Moving on till I get it all.
Ligo ka ba? Hindi ako ligo eh. Wala rin ako. Pero may shirt ako. Right. Ligo na kayo. Hindi.
my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, though I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite.
Tabang lang, relax sa strike. Oh. Master. Nagsusunog sila. May patayan na ano. Nabuhay.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
GoPro, start recording.